In this corner, it's the champion, Twitter favorite, part-time ninja, full-time food lover, and content genius, Chelan, Mamachell Smith!
Talk about an entrance.
That's right.
I didn't even know we had an announcer.
Oh, well, now you know.
We have a very special guest here with us today, and we're so lucky to have her.
Welcome,
Chelan.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
How you doing?
I'm doing really good.
So we couldn't help but notice that you are the queen of content.
Thanks.
I got a poppy color.
Thank you.
You were actually blogging before blogging was like a thing.
Yeah, so definitely fell in love with it. Was from back in the day when it was Blogger, Blogspot, before everybody went to WordPress, and now, you know, you buy your own domain.
So can you, get saucy in the kitchen and create something real fine for us?
Of course, I've even created content in the kitchen, but just things that I know how to make.
Okay, all right. What will you be preparing for us on this rainy day?
On this rainy day, I think it would be perfect for me to make Grace Pumpkin Bisque.
Grace Pumpkin Bisque. It sounds very fancy. I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I have all these things prepared.
Let's get saucy in the kitchen.
Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn it up now. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn it up now.
So Chelan, how did you get into vlogging?
I had a boyfriend at the time that I would come home and tell him all the adventures, the taxi I was taking. Like, yo, guess what happened with Brooklyn? Or guess what happened? Trust me, we were a magnet for adventure.
Right.
He just said one day, why don't you start a blog? And I was like, what's that?
Yeah.
So he logged in on Blogger and showed me, he's like, it's free. You can just,
Share all the information
share
and all
everything.
the stories that you want.
I started the Taxi Chronicles.
The Taxi Chronicles.
Yes, girl.
You actually saw that persons were looking forward to your stories.
Exactly.
So being faced with your health issues right now, Chelan, how has that affected your relationship with food?
Oh, man. Okay, so I can't have some of the deliciousness that I usually eat. All right, so I have cut up my onion, my scallion,
Okay.
my garlic, as well as my pepper.
Okay, some nice Scotch bonnet pepper.
Some nice Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have my Grace vegetable oil, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna saute them. It's like a tablespoon of oil.
Throw it all in the pot.
Yeah, everything all at once.
You don't want it too spicy, but just enough spice.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
And of course, Scotch bonnet. Toops.
All right. So about how much water?
Like about 4 cups.
Okay.
And then, for the main star of the bisque, the pumpkin.
The pumpkin. Okay, so we peel the pumpkin and cut it up.
You have to cut it up, you have to cube it.
All right, Chelan, so what we add next?
So the next thing I'm doing is I'm gonna put in some Grace katsu.
Ooh. Perfect.
Perfect. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave it, let it boil, then we're gonna blend it out with the Grace coconut milk.
Oh, all right.
Hey. Hi guys, I'm Chelan Smith. I'm a social media blogger, and today I'm going to do the This or That challenge.
This or that. Sweet or savory.
Savory.
Butter or baked beans.
Baked beans.
Twitter or Instagram.
Both.
Idris Elba or Michael B. Jordan.
Definitely Idris.
River or beach.
I can't choose, I'm gonna say both.
Knobs or hoops.
Knobs.
Grace ketchup or Grace sweet and spicy sauce.
Grace ketchup.
Tuna sandwich or corned beef sandwich.
I'm gonna have to go with the bully beef, so corned beef sandwich.
Heels or flats.
Flats.
Do road or stay home.
I can't make up my mind. It depends on how I'm feeling, so I'm gonna go with both. And there you have it. That's my This or That. So everything's boiled right now, so now it's time to blend. Start off low. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just open up this Grace coconut milk because that's gonna get poured in while it's blending.
Okay. Yummy. All right, blend it all up. Okay, so we're gonna add it back to the pot now.
Yeah, so we're just gonna make it simmer for a while, just a little bit.
I realized that you used your Grace coconut milk.
Yes.
If you were stuck on an island for a week, which 3 Grace products would you have to have with you?
Well, right off the bat, my Grace coconut milk because I can drink it like milk or I can mix it with anything else.
Okay.
My Grace chickpeas.
It's a nice healthy option.
Yes, see, but you can dress it up. And
Okay.
you can mix it with the coconut milk.
Okay.
Right?
All right.
And also baked beans.
Oh, all right. Nice healthy options there.
Yep, so we're just gonna cover this up and let it simmer for a little bit.
All right, and then,
Then I'll be able to share it out.
Okay, almost ready.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we'll be taking Chelan on a Tropical Rhythms flavor adventure where she'll be doing the TR Taste Challenge. We have lots of flavors, so let's go. Okay, Chelan, which side do you want to start from?
I'm gonna start from this side, but I feel like I already know what they are.
Okay, you want to taste it?
All right, cool. So there's ginger. Is it yam?
It's actually guava sweet potato.
This guava, that's what I was tasting. Wow, is mango carrot?
Correct. Does it taste like pineapple juice?
Absolutely not. Is this Irish?
It's actually sweet potato juice.
Okay, so guava is in this. Cherry? That's it, I'm stuck there.
Best answer.
Fruit punch.
Correct.
Pineapple ginger.
Ah! What are you tasting?
Peach. I'm gonna just go with like a mango.
It's actually mango sweet potato.
Ooh, this is very sweet.
Any guesses?
There's a lychee in it. If you tell me this is lychee sweet potato, I'm going to lose my mind.
Is that your guess?
Yes.
It's actually lychee paradise.
All right, guys, well, there you have it. I just went on a flavor adventure and I was blown away. All of these taste really good, but my favorite is the lychee paradise.
All right, Chelan, let's see what we have here. Tastes good? Mm-hmm. Ready to plate
So
and go?
pretty and rich? Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
Let's go.
What advice would you have for other women who are faced with cancer or any other challenges?
You know, it always sounds so cliche, but it's genuinely true. You're stronger than you know. So
Gonna top it off.
no matter what happens, you'll probably freak out yourself more, but it will all be okay.
It will all be okay. Just like this Grace pumpkin bisque. Thanks, Chelan. Grace cock soup.
Yeah?
So good. And the coconut milk, that's your secret, you know. That's your secret
Makes it
ingredient.
smooth and creamy and nice.
So good. You soup it up and spice it up in the kitchen today.
My Grace pumpkin bisque is A1.
It's A1. Chelan, thank you so much. It's awesome. It tastes great. And I'm happy you could come and share your Grace pumpkin bisque with us today.
Thank you so much for having me. And it was fun. It was fun.
Keep fighting, stay strong, and we are supporting you, girl. We're on that journey with you.
Yes, girl, we're fighting.
And thank you guys for joining us on another great episode. Remember to follow us on YouTube and Instagram at Grace Foods. See you later.
Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen.